Okay, I'm back. So I'm grabbing a tissue. You can see, ugh, this stuff is messy. But all of this will build up and interfere with the quality sewing that you get out of your machine. Get down in here. This bobbin case, you really want to get this clean. Okay, and like I mentioned in the other portion of this video, there's a screw on here, and let's see if I can show it to you better than I did in the last one. Right in here is where your thread comes through when you're threading your machine. When you put your bobbin in, let me see, I have a bobbin over here somewhere. All right, so when you're threading your machine, we're playing a little bobbin chicken with this one, down to the end. All right, so when you put your bobbin in, I know there's two threads there because this bobbin was about empty, but you put your thread in like this, and then you spin it up like that. Black thread's not helping. Anyway, the thread goes right in between here. So that's your tension discs for your bobbin. And it's controlled by this screw right here. All right. And so that's not something that is ever recommended to be adjusted, that tension right there. They do make more bobbins. You can buy another bobbin and adjust the tension to your heart's desire to do what's known as bobbin work. So if you want to try something like that, then I recommend you buy another bobbin. Okay, moving on. Look at this. Da, 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 da. Yeah, we want all that crap out of your machine. So just gently move your little cleaning brush around in there. I'm telling you, these little bad boys are awesome. Look, right down in here. And all I'm doing is just lifting and pulling. Do your best not to push anything further down inside. I'm just lifting and pulling it out. Oh, yuck, look at that. Ooh. Yeah, this is one of the student machines here in the shop, and I try to do this like every 2 months. Just sit down and line them up and clean them out, because they really do take a beating. But then just imagine your machine at home is probably taking a beating too. Now, this type of cleaning is not meant to replace a regular service, all right? This is just general maintenance. Look right here, in between your feed dogs. Fuzz builds up in there. I have seen these things so compacted. It's amazing they would even move. Let's see if there's anything going on back here. A little bit. I'm going to try to move that camera down in there. See, look, it's still fuzzy. But you see all those nooks and crannies? We're not quite done yet. I'm turning my hand wheel, and that helps me see. Okay, now look at this. I'm going to show y'all something. Let's see if I can. Sometimes you just need 3 hands. Do you see these streaks right here? Those are needle strikes. Those are from somebody, well, they're from a student. I'm just going to say that bluntly, from somebody new learning what they were doing and me not paying attention. I didn't catch it. Yep. So, that's all right. Stuff happens. And I'll tell you, the needle would have come down right in through here, because that's the only open spot. Oh yeah, see? All right. And this is just a dry piece of lint-free cotton. Wipe it all down in there. And I'm going to use my needle up, needle down button. Then go around a few times. Okay, make sure my bobbin case is all wiped down. All right, now, again, the only place that we oil on our machines, the technicians do the rest. Right here in the center is the wick, and we put 1 drop right there on that wick, and that's it. Okay, done. Finito bandito. Here at the shop we use this Tooltron. Great stuff. You can find it on our website at soandsosplace.com. Now we're going to reassemble very gently. All right, here's your bobbin case. You just sit it right back in there like that. Okay, can you see that? It just sat right back in there. I'll show you that one more time. You lift it out this way. Okay, and you put it right back in that way. If you ever doubt what you're doing, take a picture of it before you put it in, or before you take it out, and that way you'll know exactly which way it goes back in. If you're doing a front load machine where your bobbin goes in right here, comes in and out right here on the front, take a picture. All right, and then you put your bobbin case, your throat plate right back on like that. And where's that little screw? There it is. And then your screw goes back in. I generally do it this way because it is tight getting that screwdriver in there. I do have a low profile one, but it's at home. But I just spin it this way. And tighten that down. And then your little cover goes right back on, and voila, we are done. Alrighty, and then I generally just do a complete wipe over of everything, and it's all good. It's ready to go until the next time. So I hope y'all have enjoyed this little video of how to clean your machine, and if you ever have any questions on anything, you can give me a call here at So-and-So's Place. mollyeducates@gmail.com, 423-285-5959, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.